Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the crude oil future markets. Now, as you can see, yesterday we eked out a small gain. We were trading in the red for the majority of the trading session, but in the closing hours we did manage to eke out that gain, making it 7 green days in a row, which is, you know, exceptional, considering the fact that crude oil was trading down at $34 a barrel roughly 2.5 months ago. So, you know, we've had such a good comeback here from the crude oil markets. We struggled at around $50. But since then, you know, we've just, you know, rallied up towards $60, and we currently find ourselves trading at $58.34 a barrel. Now, where does crude oil go next? Well, if you've been watching my videos for some time, you'll know that I have a price target up at $60 a barrel. I am anticipating a move up towards $60 a barrel in the short term. Do we break above 60? I think that it's going to be very, very difficult to do so. Also, in the short run, look at the RSI, guys. We are extremely overbought. We're currently at 80. So although, yes, I do believe the market still has some way to go towards the upside, up towards $60 a barrel, I do not want to be buying at these high levels. You know, I don't want to be giving into FOMO and, you know, investing all this money for it to pull back and then eventually go higher, because, you know, you want to be sitting on cash. You don't want to have your cash locked up into a trade where you're going to have to wait a month or 2 months for it to, you know, correct itself. So, yes, I am a medium and long-term buyer here of the crude oil markets up towards $60 a barrel. However, for the short run, I am sitting on the sidelines waiting for that pullback. It will occur, you know, when you have trading sessions like the ones that we've been seeing over the past week or so. You start to live in this world where you know, the market just goes up. It just goes up. It doesn't ever correct itself, which is false. Okay, the markets do pull back. You just have to be disciplined and patient and wait for that pullback, guys. Do not be giving into FOMO at these high levels, because look at the risk. You know, your potential benefit is $1.50 towards the upside, up towards $60 a barrel, but then you're risking it all the way down to 50. You know, even if crude oil was trading at $50 a barrel, I think that would make sense. So, you know, to win $1.50, you're risking pretty much $8.50. So it just doesn't make sense from a trading perspective, or that risk perspective either. Also, one other reason why I think crude oil is going to struggle at the $60 level. Look at this. If I just show you on, you know, a long-term perspective, all the way from when we were trading up at $76, as you can see, we are starting to break out. But if this was to be a false breakout, we could see the markets plummeting down towards $50 a barrel. Now, I'm not saying that is going to happen, but if you look on the daily chart, we are considered to be extremely overbought, and you know, we could see a correction, or we could even just see it at least go and retest the downtrend line as the new floor in the market, which would still indicate a move down towards $56 a barrel. So that being said, guys, I'm extremely cautious at these high levels on the crude oil markets. I don't want to sell them because I am bullish. However, what I'm looking to do is buy the dip. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to wait for a dip down towards $57 to at least $56 a barrel. And then that is an area where I will commit some money towards the crude oil markets, trading up towards $60 a barrel. But what happens if we just go straight towards $60 a barrel and the RSI becomes to, let's say, 85 or 90? Well, I think that's setting up for a fantastic selling opportunity. You know, $60 is a large psychological number. It's going to offer some sort of resistance in the market. So $60 a barrel could be a fantastic selling opportunity down towards that $56 and $57 a barrel. So either way, however, you know, whatever way the market decides to go here, I am seeing some fantastic money-making opportunities here in the crude oil market. So if you're new to trading and you maybe just need to hold someone's hands and for them to show you the ropes, please do not hesitate and join our Signal team. You know, we'd love to have you on our team. We have made a significant amount of profit on the crude oil market in 2020, and of course this year as well. We've been riding the crude oil markets all the way from $50 all the way up to $58 a barrel. So the Signal team have made a substantial amount of money. So if you have been watching our videos for some time and you're looking for the extra bit of help, do not hesitate, and we'd love to have you on our Signal team, and you can do so by joining on our website. Plenty of money-making opportunities here on the horizon for the crude oil markets, and I really cannot wait to trade them.